Ooh, wait, that's actually really nice. Players has bought a skin. No, bro. Actually, there's one thing in this life that I will agree on with everyone here, hopefully. I feel like Valorant skins are the actual biggest ripoff from any skin from any video game. They're so expensive per skin. Like, I feel like there's some games I'm like, yeah, this is kind of expensive, but I really like the game. Val just doesn't make sense. Val is so bad, dude. They're digital goods. Oh, I know that, but like Valorant especially is expensive. Like, it's just extra pricey. And then we're also gonna use this set today. I don't know if I told Chozo this. This is in stock at Space Cables. It's a new Milky Way set. We're gonna take a look at this too. The box farted. Bro, I didn't want to say nothing because I thought maybe if I blamed the box, but like, yeah, that was the box, dude. And I don't want no one to turn that onto me, you know? Never heard a box make that sound before? Bro, it was straight the box. Don't try to spin that on me, guys. Pretty. I like classic gray sets. No, honestly, if it was me, I would have 1000% taken the blame. I would have been like, yo guys, that was me and I apologize. But not really. We're using some Marshmallow switches today, by the way. Let's actually take a look at the keyboard first. We're building a Think, which I haven't got to build in quite a long time. Oh, polycarbonate one. Hell yes, dude. Hell yes. Uh-oh, is there some like scuff on the bottom of this, or is it just the plastic? Now I need to find out. Oh yeah, there is a bit of discoloration on the polycarb. That's unfortunate. I don't know if you guys can see this. There's a little bit of discoloration on the polycarb, although I'm gonna see if that'll wipe off. But it seems to be limited to here and here. That's unfortunate. Kind of looks like water, like a water damage, but it was in plastic. I don't know, can you guys see that? It's right above this. It's tough to see in the camera. And right there too. No way you're typing on GMK with looby hands? Oh, they're not looby right now. Dude, trust, I would not endanger my keyboard. Only sometimes have I ever done that. But I do actually clean my keyboards quite often. Hey, buy one of these. For cleaning your keyboard, it's better than canned air because you don't have to spend lots of money. Literally, these are the best for, like, look, I'm gonna do it. Quick and easy, bro. Mr. Screw? Oh. It's like an air gun type thing. Like the January. Dude, everyone's been saying that the January is like it. If you like the case to a keyboard, get multiple PCBs, multiple plates. It's not that hard to open up the sonnet. It's like 2 screws. And then if you do a top mount, it's those screws there. But at least that way there you get some diversity out of one build. So I am all for you doing that, dude. Such a good way to keep your keyboard just fun. Everyone at school is a screen up type person. I go screen down because I don't need to stare at notifications as they come in. Yeah, and then I also feel like obligated to like answer. And it's not healthy being on. Let me tell you guys this. It is not healthy being in front of social media and talking to people 24/7 over social media that often. You truly lose, like, again, this is a perspective thing and this is also an opinion, but I personally feel if I glue myself to the phone for long periods of time, I feel very not myself. I feel very like nervous and anxious. Constantly waiting for replies, like looking at the screen. I find if I turn it off, come to Discord, actually talk to someone, that's when I feel better. And even past that, I've honestly not even been going into Discord very often recently. I've been having a lot of like, listen to music, turn everything off, focus on a task. And I've been feeling my tasks, not that they've been getting finished quicker, but I feel like I've been doing a better job. And I feel like I'm more myself. Again, everyone's different. Some people are completely at home in front of a screen. But for me, the opposite. And I work with social media, like on a daily. Spin, please? Got you, dude. I got you, Red. If you guys sub and request a spin, I got you. I feel that so much. I feel like since getting to college, I've been sitting and waiting for notifications from my girlfriend, and it sort of just messes with my head. Like, I love your idea of just turning it off. Just turn it off. Honestly, guys, if I'm being honest with you guys, other than saying hi to you guys in the morning and checking our Discord and doing novel key stuff, I used to be like jumping to respond to people on Instagram. Thoughts on using fewer gaskets if the board is feeling stiff? Try not doing top gaskets or not doing bottom gaskets. I probably think just don't do the top ones. Try that. Such a satisfying noise. I must have been in something different. Oh, that's the one thing I hate about the thing. It's the gasket that's underneath this USB connector here. I'd love to just buy a PC bottom for my Think. One thing I wish they did with the Thinks for everyone was offer more, maybe like a customization, like a builder. All right. Let's put this on. Alex is the reason why KTT roses are sold out everywhere. Are they still sold out? Kinetic Labs has them now too, guys. Yeah, this is actually a really nice set. I think, again, Space Cables might have this right now in stock, I think, from what I recall. Cool set though. Milky Way, when they hit, they hit. I like Milky Way sets. It's only when they don't hit, and they really don't hit. I had issues with a few sets with Milky Way. I've been told they were just due to them being prototypes. Alignment looks good on this. Sometimes, and this is the problem I usually found with Milky Way, things like the number 6 or like a random legend would just be like higher and lower. The other issue I had with Milky Way 2 was they were, for whatever reason, putting their arrows top aligned. That doesn't seem to be the problem here. Everything seems to be very sharp, which has been very consistent with Milky Way. It was the alignment that I was having issues with. It looks better. It looks better than some of the other Milky Way sets I've ever seen. So, cool looking set. Again, for $85 for all the compatibility you get, not bad. And their legends have always been sharp. Looks nice. This is a cool looking set. Let's see what this sounds and feels like. You know, I forgot how good the fucking Think was. Ooh, wait, that's actually really nice. It was mid-plate foam, and then I didn't use anything on the bottom other than that silicone piece. But I think that's more just for breaking contact with things, because it's not very thick. Yeah, this sounds very full. Oh. Dude, this is... I genuinely, really like this. I'm excited to build the arrow. Again, I like gray studio boards. I know the aesthetic is not for everyone, but I've just always thought that they've just had consistently good quality for the most part. There's some things about it. Like, I'm not crazy happy about the polycarbonate quality on this particular unit. I have built a few polycarb things, but this one here seems to have a bit of roughness to it. But they just make good keyboards. Like, I like all the ways, so I like it. This is good. You know, if this had ABS, this would be a little bit higher. This is FR4, probably a bit higher pitch. But like, damn, I also did a pretty good job of looping these. Good job, Alex. Sounds like the Link? No, the Link is totally different sound profile. ABS test? Nah, not tonight. Peace out, guys. Good night. Love you. Take care. Bye.